Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ambati Nageswara Rao. Welcome to my YouTube channel on qualitative data analysis using NVivo. In this particular session, I'm going to discuss about how to create account at Lumivero NVivo, download NVivo free trial software, how to install NVivo product, and how to activate NVivo free trial license version. I'm sharing this particular link with you all. Now I'm just typing in Google. I hope all of you opened it. Just open Google. Type here Lumivero NVivo free trial. Now you can just go with first one, Lumivero. I'm just opening the first search engine. Now here it's showing the list of options. Right now we are with Lumivero website. Initially, NVivo is a product of QSR International. Right now we are with Lumivero and we are going to install NVivo free trial version. Please just click on free trial. If you scroll your cursor, you can see there is a product name NVivo. Please select this product. Click on Get Started. Click on Get Started your product. Okay. Now, as you can see here, it is asking create an account to get started. Before installing 14-day free trial, one has to create an account. And please ensure that these days, most of us are having more than 2 email IDs, more than one netlist, right? Please remember the mail ID that you're going to give. Okay, first write down first name of the person, surname, there is last name that you want to write with, and email ID that you want to type. Email ID that you want to type. Please remember the mail ID that you are going to type here, okay? Please give the mail ID that you want to create account with NVivo. After giving email ID, just click on send verification code. Just click on send verification code. Please go to the particular mail ID that you have given. You might have received verification code. Ensure that you are going to give that particular verification code here, okay? And after giving that particular verification code, that is 6-digit code number, just click on verify your email. Now it has verified your email. Now it is asking us to create password. Please ensure that you are going to create unique password. And ensure that unique password means one upper letter, one lower letter, one special character, and it must be minimum 8 to 12 letters. Okay, 8 to 12 characters. After typing the unique password, there is option called I accept the terms of use and privacy policy. Please ensure that you are going to select I accept the terms of use and privacy policy. Just click on create account. Just click on create account. Now it is showing the next progress. Please wait till we process it. Now, after creating account with NVivo, it is asking us to complete your NVivo setup. Now it is asking, are you belongs to academic or non-academic? And click on academic, non-academic as per your choice. Then customer type. You are installing this particular NVivo as a customer individual or as a part of your system, company. Just click on the appropriate answer. Just type the name from which country it belongs to. Now, after giving the name of the country, by confirming the purchase, you agree to Lumivero terms and conditions of privacy and policy. Please just click on the by confirming. Second one, as a researcher, as an academician, if you would like to receive any kind of information from NVivo regarding their products, regarding their hints, regarding best practices, any kind of articles, you can click on yes. If you don't want to receive any kind of information, you don't need to select it. Just click on complete sign up. Please give the mail ID that you have used for creating account with Lumivero. same email ID. Please ensure that you are going to give same email ID, and you can give the password. We have created account, we have activated it, we have verified it. Now we are going to launch the product. We are going to launch the product. Now, this is the account that I have created. If you look at this side, NA, that is Nageswara Rao Ambati. Here we have it. Next, left side, we have products, we have it. Now, when it just click on launch, in case we are using other than Windows, just click on other versions. If you are using Mac version, just click on other versions. And now you can see that Windows and Mac. Okay. Just ensure that you are having Windows and Mac. And there are a number of other products are available. Right now, we are installing version number 14. There are also versions like NVivo 12, NVivo 11, NVivo 10, and NVivo 13 R1 project. But currently, we are installing NVivo 14. So my system it is a Windows. I'm just clicking on Windows. Depends on your system. Just click on it. Here, I have one important suggestion to all of you. While installing the system, please ensure that you are using Windows more than 8. If you are going to install Windows, that version must be more than 8. And second thing, your system should have dual processor core, and it should have minimum 4 GB RAM. Minimum 4 GB RAM is required. Just click on download Windows, that is the latest version. Just click on where you want to save the file, location wise, that you can save it. Now you can see here, as you can see here, we are installing it. One download is in progress. I'm just installing. One download is in progress. We are installing the NVivo, that is 64-bit. In case your system is 34-bit, if it is below Windows 8, it is going to be very complicated for you. You may not be able to install it successfully also. And depends on your data, depends on your network, the internet connection that you have it. It will take from seconds to minutes also. And you can upgrade it. For example, if you're using it, trial version, and if you want to upgrade it, you can do that. And another important aspect is that right now I have license. Imagine that I have license version. I want to give it to my colleague, same version to him. What I can do, I can transfer my rights. Only thing is, I need to deactivate my system. I need to deactivate license of my system, so that my colleague to whom I have to send it, that particular person can activate in his system. Without you are deactivating on in your current system, one cannot use the same license in another system. So one can transfer the license from one person to another person. That's the best one. As you can see there, I have downloaded it. Just double click on NVivo, or you can run the NVivo software. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. Click on Yes. Depends on your system. It will take time. I'm sure many of you are able to see that the next progress, that is NVivo 14, install Shield Wizard. Just click on Install. And it's asking, welcome to NVivo install for NVivo. Click on Next. Just click on Next. And just Next. And install it. I'm not doing install because I'm already having it. Okay. Colleagues, the participants, I hope you are able to follow it till this particular stage. Just click on Install, and it will launch the NVivo product in your system. And those who installed it successfully, either you can see it in your desktop. It will also ask you to create a shortcut on your desktop, you can see the destination particular file where we have saved it. And just double click on NVivo. For the first time, as you're opening it, it will ask you to log in it, activate. As for the first time you are opening your account, it will ask you to activate. The version that you're seeing on my laptop is completely different from on your laptop. It will ask you to activate your license. Just give same email ID and password, and you can able to see this kind of window. You're able to see this kind of window right now. Okay. So this is all about how to create account, how to download NVivo product, how to install it and activate it.